Hello students, today we shall learn about modifications of stem explained with diagram in a very easy way. So watch the video till the end. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nowsin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So my lovely students, are you ready? So let's get started. If you look around, you'd find many kinds of leaves. Leaf is a basically green, lateral and flattened outgrowth which is borne on the node of a stem or its branches, especially to perform photosynthesis. So apart from photosynthesis, leaves often modify to perform several other functions also. So let us see what they are. Some of the modifications of leaves in plants that help the plants are as follows. So leaf storage. So some plants of xerophytic habitats and members of the family have highly thickened with water storage tissues. So these leaves have large parenchymal cells with big central vacuole filled with hydrophilic colloid. So next point is leaf tendril. So in weak stemmed plant, leaf or a part of leaf gets modified into thread-like structures called tendrils, which help in climbing around the support, and the parts of leaf which get modified into tendrils are as follows. So entire leaf is modified into tendrils, for example wild pea in figure number 4.19. Upper leaflets modified into tendrils, for example pea, figure number 4.20, and the terminal leaflets modified into tendrils, figure number 4.21. So the leaf tip modified into tendril, for example lily, figure number 4.22, and the petiole modified into tendril, for example clematis, figure number 4.23, and the stipule modified into tendril, for example simlax, figure number 4.24. So leaf spines. Leaf spines mainly modified for defensive purpose into sharp pointed structures, basically known as spines. In Opuntia, minute leaves of axillary bud are modified into spines, and the leaf apex in Yucca is developed on the margin as well as the apex. In Barberry, the leaf becomes modified into spine while the leaves of the axillary bud are normal. Next is leaf scales. So when the leaves are thin, dry, then their function is to protect the axillary bud, and when the scale leaves are thick and fleshy, then their function is to store up water and food. Number 5 is leaflet hooks. So in Begonian, the 3 terminal leaflets of leaf get modified into claw-like hooks which help in climbing. For example, figure number 4.29. Next point is leaf roots. Basically, in case of Salvinia, 3 leaves are present at one node. Out of these 2 leaves are normal and the third gets modified into adventitious roots which help in floating over the surface of water. For example, figure number 4.30. Next point is phylloid. So in Australian acacia, figure number 4.31, the petiole or any part of the rachis becomes flattened and taking the sap of the leaf and turning green in color. So this is known as phylloid. The normal leaf, which is pinnately compound in nature, develops in the seedling stage but it soon falls off. In Parkinsonia, figure number 4.32, a small prickly tree, the primary rachis, basically primary rachis of the bipinnate leaf ends in a sharp spine, while each secondary rachis is a phylloid being green and flattened. So next point is Number 8 is insect catching leaves. So in insectivorous plants, the leaves are specially adapted to catch and digest insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirement, and some of the adaptations are given below, that is leaf pitcher. So this is a device to catch insects for fulfilling the deficiency of nitrogen in the medium where plant is growing. In case of Nepenthes, and leaf lamina is modified into pitcher-like structure called the leaf pitcher. In Drosser, the leaf bladder, basically the utriculia, figure number 4.34, is another insectivorous plant which grows in water. It basically bears highly dissected submerged leaves, and some of the segments of the leaf are modified into bladders or cuticles. You know that. In figure 4.35, you see that the Drosser, the lamina, possesses numerous spine-like hairs spreading all around it. And the moment an insect happens to sit on the lamina, and the hairs of the lamina bend and cover it completely, leaving no chance for the insect to escape. So each hair has a shining, sticky globule at its tip which contains digestive enzymes, and these hair are very sensitive to touch. You see the picture. So dear, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and please share it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell, and stay tuned with educational support for more biology related topics. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.